Ever stared at a blueprint and felt lost in a maze of lines and symbols? You're not alone. For many, engineering drawings look like a secret code, filled with mysterious marks and cryptic details. But behind every squiggle and dash lies a story, a precise set of instructions that brings ideas to life. It's not alien, it's the universal language of engineering. This language bridges the gap between imagination and reality, turning sketches into machines and concepts into products you can hold. Every line has a purpose. Get one wrong, and your design could fail. A single misplaced mark can mean the difference between a flawless assembly and a costly disaster. This language lets someone in Germany build a part designed in Japan. No confusion. It's a global standard, ensuring that no matter where you are, the message is clear. Among all these lines, hidden lines are especially important and often misunderstood. They're more than just dashes, they're clues to what lies beneath the surface. Hidden lines aren't random dashes. They reveal features you can't see from the outside, like secret passages inside a part. They show holes, slots, and cavities that are invisible in a standard view. They're the difference between a clear, professional drawing and one that causes costly mistakes. Without them, even the best design can become a puzzle no one can solve. Think of them as the X-ray vision of engineering drawings, showing what's beneath the surface. They let you see the invisible, making sure nothing is overlooked. Without hidden lines, a machinist might miss a hole or an internal pocket. That could mean wasted materials, failed parts, or even dangerous malfunctions. Mastering hidden lines is a fundamental skill that separates amateurs from pros. It's a mark of true craftsmanship and attention to detail. Today, we'll demystify hidden lines and show you the rules that make your drawings clear and your designs buildable. You'll learn how to use them to communicate your ideas with precision. By the end, you'll speak this secret language fluently, creating drawings anyone can build right the first time. Your blueprints will become a passport to global collaboration and flawless manufacturing. Let's unlock the secrets hidden within the lines and take your engineering drawings to the next level. So what exactly are hidden lines, and why are they so important in technical drawings? Simply put, hidden lines are used to represent edges or features of an object that you can't see from the current viewpoint. They help engineers and machinists understand what's going on inside or behind a part, even when those features are not directly visible. Imagine you're looking at a simple box, but inside, there's a divider running through the middle. From the outside, you can't see that divider at all, but hidden lines on a drawing show you exactly where it is, making the invisible visible. These hidden lines are drawn as short, evenly spaced dashes. They're easy to spot because they look different from the solid lines that show visible edges. And they're usually thinner than center lines, which are used to mark symmetry or axes. This clear distinction helps anyone reading the drawing quickly understand what's visible, what's centered, and what's hidden from view. It's important not to confuse hidden lines with center lines, even though both use dashes. Center lines are used to mark the axes of symmetry or rotation, while hidden lines specifically show real, physical edges that are just out of sight. For example, if you have a drilled hole in a part, the center line runs down the middle to show its axis, while hidden lines outline the diameter and depth of the hole that you can't see from the outside. Visible lines show what you can actually see. Center lines indicate symmetry or the center of circles and holes. Hidden lines, on the other hand, reveal all the features that are there, but hidden from your direct view, giving you a complete understanding of the part. All three types of lines work together to create a full, detailed picture of the object, ensuring nothing is left to guesswork. Without hidden lines, a technical drawing is like a story with missing chapters. Crucial information is left out, and the true structure remains a mystery. A machinist or engineer might look at a drawing and assume a block is solid, completely missing important internal features that are actually there. That's why mastering the use of hidden lines is absolutely critical for clear, accurate communication in engineering and manufacturing. Hidden lines ensure that nothing important is left unseen, allowing everyone involved to fully understand the design inside and out. Now let's talk about the essential rules that govern hidden lines in technical drawings. These aren't just helpful tips, they're global standards, established by organizations like ISO and ASME, and they're not suggestions, they're requirements for clear communication. Rule 1. Hidden lines must always start and end at visible lines or at other hidden lines. Never let them float in space, disconnected from the rest of the drawing. Floating lines create confusion and can lead to costly mistakes in manufacturing. Rule 2. When hidden lines intersect, they should form a clear T or L shape. Avoid ambiguous corners at all costs. This clarity ensures that anyone reading your drawing knows exactly what's happening inside the part. Remember, precision in your lines translates directly to precision in the final manufactured part. Sloppy lines can mean sloppy results. Rule 3. Never let hidden lines be direct extensions of visible lines. Always leave a clear break where they meet. This small detail makes a big difference in readability. This break helps the eye instantly distinguish what's visible from what's hidden, reducing the chance of misinterpretation. Only use hidden lines when they genuinely add clarity to your drawing. If a hidden line doesn't help explain the part, leave it out. Too many hidden lines, and your drawing quickly becomes a confusing mess of dashes, making it hard for anyone to understand. For especially complex parts, consider using section or broken out views instead of filling your drawing with a rat's nest of hidden lines. These views can reveal interior details much more clearly. Always remember, hidden lines are a tool for communication. If they make your drawing harder to understand, you're using them incorrectly. Clean, clear hidden lines make your design intent obvious to everyone who reads your drawing, from machinists to inspectors. Follow these golden rules, and your technical drawings will be easy to read, easy to interpret, and ready to build without confusion. That's the mark of a true professional in the world of engineering. Ready for advanced techniques? Here's how to level up. Avoid redundant hidden lines. If a feature is clear in one view, don't clutter others with unnecessary dashes. In assembly drawings, hidden lines can show how parts fit together, like a bolt through plates, without a section view. But in section views, turn off hidden lines. The cut makes internals visible. Hidden lines just add confusion. When hidden lines overlap center lines, hidden lines take precedence but extend the center line beyond the feature. This combo packs more info into less space, a true drafting skill. Use these techniques to keep your drawings clean and efficient. That's advanced hidden line kung fu. Even pros make mistakes with hidden lines, and they can cause big problems. Overusing hidden lines clutters drawings, making them hard to read and easy to misinterpret. Incorrect line weight or dash length is another issue. Hidden lines should be distinct, not confused with visible edges. Use your CAD software's standards to avoid inconsistency. Never draw hidden lines in section views. Section views are for clarity, not more confusion. Not joining hidden lines properly at corners creates ambiguity. Are those edges sharp or rounded? Clean L or T junctions remove all doubt. These details may seem small, but they prevent costly errors. Take a moment to check your intersections and line styles. A careful drawing builds trust and saves time on the shop floor. Avoid these mistakes and machinists will thank you. Want flawless hidden lines? Trust your CAD software. Let it handle line types and weights. Always review your drawing from the machinist's perspective. Is it clear? Would you have questions? Choose the primary view that shows the most detail with the fewest hidden lines. Add only necessary secondary views. Less is more. Make it a habit to check that hidden lines start and end correctly, and intersections are clean. Don't leave hidden lines in section views. Sometimes the best hidden line is none at all. Use section or auxiliary views for complex internals. Switching to a more descriptive view is a sign of a thoughtful designer. Clarity beats clutter every time. These habits make your drawings stand out. We've explored hidden lines from basics to pro tips. They're more than dashes. They're the backbone of clear engineering communication. Mastering them means your ideas get built right every time. Think of every line as a word. Hidden lines reveal the backstory. A drawing with correct hidden lines tells a complete story, no guesswork. This clarity builds trust and brings your designs to life. Sweat the details. One misplaced line can ruin a project. Take control. Use hidden lines only when needed, check intersections, and review from the builder's perspective. By mastering the unseen, you become a better engineer. Your ideas move from dream to reality, perfectly every time. Draw like a pro and let your work speak for itself.